Hello, and welcome to our Future Ready Digital Skills. And this is Module 1, Technology Basics. We're looking at the foundations. Before we start clicking buttons or opening apps, we need to understand one important thing. How does a digital device actually work? Whether it's a phone, a laptop, or a tablet. Once you understand this, technology becomes much less confusing and much easier to use. In this lesson, I will help you understand what an operating system is, identify desktop and mobile operating systems, understand what happens when you open an app, and feel more confident using any digital device. Every digital device has something called an operating system, often shortened OS. The operating system we say is the main software that controls your device, and it manages first and foremost your screen, your keyboard, the apps that you open, your storage, and last but not the least, the internet connection. And I want you to think about the operating system as your car. The hardware, which is the screen, keyboard, battery, your webcam, is like the engine and wheels. Operating system is the driver. Without a driver, the car cannot move. Without the operating system, the device cannot work. So that is how powerful the operating system is. There are two main types of operating systems you come across. We have the desktop operating systems, which are usually designed for computers with keyboards, mice, and larger screens. And examples include Windows, the Mac OS, and the Linux or Linux. Then we jump into the mobile operating systems. So this is just a picture of Windows 11. Then we've got another picture of Mac OS. Then the last but not the least, which is Linux operating system. So that is the interface for desktop operating systems. Now let's look at the mobile operating systems, which have been designed for touchscreens, cameras, and sensors. Examples include the Android, iOS, and these are designed for touch, camera, and sensors. Even though they look different, they all do the same job. They help you use your device. So this is an example of an Android. Then we've got our Apple, the iOS. So I want to ask this question. What happens when you open an app? What happens? Just think about it for a second. You just pause the video, think about it, then just resume it, and let's see if whatever your thoughts were are in line with what I'm about to share with you. So we've got a nice tablet with PowerPoint opened. Yes, we view the animation, it's running. So what went through this process for us to see this nice, animation? Then we've also got a nice, screen of a phone, which is an Android with so many apps. So let's investigate that. What happens when you open? So when you tap or click on an app, the operating system checks if the app is installed. So the app will need to be installed on your system So once it checks and it's installed, it will load the app into the computer's memory, which gives the app permission to use things like the screen, camera, or internet. Then voila, you see the app on your screen. This is why you don't need to understand programming to use technology. The operating system handles the hard work. So I believe you're following along and now you have a better understanding and appreciation of an operating system. I'm not interested in the technical terms. Just at least understand the basic functionality of an operating system, which is to manage system resources, then you're good to go. So let's look at operating systems in real life. Let me bring it down home. Yeah. So operating systems are not found in phones and computers alone. Okay, we can see it in our ATMs. Your smart TV you have at your home runs an operating system. Point of sale machines in shops, ticketing machines, then your traffic lights. So they all have some form of what operating system that is managing it. So once you understand this, you realize technology is everywhere and it follows the same basic rules. Was it that difficult? I don't think so. Just leave a comment in the section if you found this difficult. Now let's try some hands-on activity, okay? I just want us to do something practical here. So I want you to pause the video and try this. Can you find the name of the operating system on your device? Are you able to do that? And can you check the version number? So once you find that, write it down or take a screenshot. And this simple step that we are about to do will help you build the confidence. So if someone asks, what version number does your operating system have? Do you even know your operating system? How do we check? How do we find out? So we're going to go to our start button. So I hit my Windows logo key and I can search for run, R-U-N. No, maybe you don't need to do that. So you can do system information. So we want information about our operating system. So I hit on system information. So it tells that, oh, the OS name is Microsoft Windows 11 Home. The version is 10.0.26100 build. Then we have the system manufacturer, the model, the BIOS, mode, and all of that. And this will be explained in this series that I've just started. So just stay tuned. I'll take my time to explain what this means and why you need such information in our future series. Well done. If you're able to do that, clap for yourself. Now, how do you take a screenshot? So on our keyboard, we do have a key called print screen, which is PRTSC. Let me bring my on-screen keyboard just to see if I can show you that. If it's even on my on-screen keyboard, yes, print screen. So once you click, it takes a screenshot, or you bring up that button, you search for snipping tool. You hit on it, you select new. Now you can conveniently drag to take a screenshot. Once you've achieved that, you save it. So you hit on save, then you browse to your location on the computer where you want to save it. So this is lesson 1.1 about operating systems. Well, to do this, please leave a comment in the section. It's all about building the skills that you need for the future. Great stuff. In this lesson, you learned what an operating system is, the difference between desktop and mobile operating systems, what happens when you open an app, and why understanding this makes technology easier. In the next lesson, I will guide you through navigating the screen, which is the desktop, taskbar, and mobile home screen step by step. If this lesson helped you, please subscribe to the channel to receive all new lessons as I release them. Let's continue building our digital confidence, one lesson at a time. For a history of my previous posts, you can use the hashtag FITTSGH. Then you'll get to know what I've been up to and why I'm passionate about this. Thank you. God bless, and see you in my next lesson. Bye.